This is Stand the Man.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, we are going to the Ramyeon Bar in Maginhawa Street, Quezon City. So the Ramyeon Bar is a ramen shop that's getting quite popular nowadays in social media. A lot of celebrities have already gone there, so we decided to try it. It's kind of like this do-it-yourself ramen shop. You will do the process of preparing and cooking the ramen yourself. I won't go any further in explaining the details of this restaurant. We'll just see you later, and we're on the way there right now, so I'll see you later. So guys, I'm having this cheese ramen, called the cheese ramen, mild spicy. And then mom's having the boldo boldo cheese ramen. It's also mild spicy.
The level is here.
Yeah, mild spicy.
So I was choosing between these two. But
Yeah.
this one is spicy and this is mild.
Yeah. Okay. This is the spicy cheese tteokbokki, because they also have one without sauce. I think that's all for step 2, guys. Hi guys, so I have my Paldo cheese ramen. So I have some tteokbokki as toppings, and I have some egg and some beef. Mama's Bodo Bodo cheese ramen. That is sesame ramen, and yes, some iced americano. Hi guys, so at the moment we're eating the Baldo cheese ramen, and I'd just like to share my 2 cents. It is definitely delicious, especially with the toppings, the tteokbokki, the beef, the egg, all mixed together. But I feel like the spiciness overpowered the cheese flavor. I wasn't really able to taste the cheese in that ramen, but otherwise it really tasted good. And in addition to that, it's almost the same experience as cooking your own ramen at home. Like you buy the uncooked pack from the grocery and then you cook it at home with all the powder, the spices, the sauce. I mean, it's not really quote unquote life changing. But overall, it's a good experience. Tteokbokki guys. Hi guys, we're done eating. I haven't eaten. I don't normally eat ramen, so it was nice to eat ramen again. Overall, a nice experience, but I think I'd recommend that you go here like right when the store opens. There are actually a lot of people also. The store opens at 11 a.m. and yeah, I think it's recommendable to go around that time, just like we did. Alright, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you all stay safe, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming vlogs and an upcoming travel vlog series, so I hope you watch that too, and I hope you have a good one. Bye!